dark circles are one of the most common beauty concerns in the world. They make you look tired, stressed, older, and sometimes even unwell, even when you're not. And if you've ever woken up after a long night, glanced in the mirror, and thought, "Why do I look like I haven't slept in a week?" You're not alone. The good news? You can significantly reduce the appearance of dark circles at home, and you can do it fast. The key is understanding what's actually causing them, because not all dark circles are the same. Let's break this down properly so you can fix the problem, not just cover it. First, understand what type of dark circles you have. There are generally 4 main types. The first type is vascular dark circles. These look blue, purple, or slightly red. They're caused by visible blood vessels under thin under-eye skin. This type often gets worse when you're tired, because blood pools under the eyes. If you've cried recently or didn't sleep well, this is usually what you're seeing. The second type is pigmented dark circles. These appear brown and are caused by excess melanin production. Sun exposure, genetics, and friction, like rubbing your eyes, can make this worse. The third type is hollow or shadow-based dark circles. These aren't really dark skin. They're shadows created by under-eye volume loss. This is common if you naturally have deep tear troughs. The fourth type is puffiness-related circles. When fluid accumulates under the eyes, it casts shadows and makes the area look darker. Now let's talk about fast fixes you can do at home based on what's causing yours. If your dark circles are from lack of sleep, crying, or fluid retention, cold therapy is your best friend. Cold constricts blood vessels and reduces swelling almost immediately. You can use chilled spoons. Place 2 metal spoons in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. Hold the curved side gently against your under-eye area for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll see visible tightening and reduced puffiness. Cucumber slices are classic for a reason. They're cooling, hydrating, and soothing. Keep them refrigerated and place them on your eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. They won't change pigmentation permanently, but they reduce puffiness fast. Now let's talk about hydration. Dehydration makes under-eye skin look dull and sunken, which exaggerates darkness. Drink water consistently throughout the day. Not just 1 glass. Steady hydration matters. Topically, use a lightweight under-eye moisturizer with ingredients like hyaluronic acid. It plumps the skin temporarily, reducing shadow appearance. If you have access to products with caffeine, even better. Caffeine tightens blood vessels and reduces puffiness quickly. For pigmented dark circles, the approach is slightly different. You need brightening ingredients. Look for vitamin C. It boosts collagen and reduces pigmentation over time. Apply gently. The under-eye area is delicate. Niacinamide is another powerful ingredient. It reduces hyperpigmentation and strengthens the skin barrier. This works especially well if your dark circles are brown rather than blue. If sun exposure is part of the problem, sunscreen is non-negotiable. Yes, even under the eyes. Use a gentle mineral sunscreen and apply carefully. UV damage worsens pigmentation significantly. Now let's address lifestyle factors because no topical product can outwork certain habits. Sleep is critical. Aim for 7 to 9 hours consistently. It's not just about the number of hours. It's about regularity. Going to bed and waking up at the same time helps regulate circulation and reduces under-eye pooling. Salt intake matters. If you eat a very salty dinner, you'll often wake up with puffy, darker-looking eyes. Reducing sodium, especially at night, can make a visible difference within 24 hours. Now let's be realistic about expectations. If your dark circles are genetic, completely removing them at home may not be possible, but you can absolutely reduce their intensity and make them less noticeable. If you need a 24-hour emergency reset, here's a quick routine. The night before, drink plenty of water, avoid salty food, and sleep at least 7 hours. Morning of, apply chilled tea bags for 10 minutes, gently massage the under-eye area, apply caffeine-based eye cream, then use a peach corrector and light concealer. This combination alone can make you look significantly more awake. And finally, remember this. Dark circles are incredibly common. Even celebrities and models have them. They just have lighting, makeup artists, and editing. And sometimes, the fastest fix isn't a product. It's sleep, water, and being a little kinder to yourself.